I'm going to do a very, very special unboxing. Alright, cool. Alright, so I have a really special unboxing coming to you from it's over here. Scott from Dynamic Fingerboards. What? Let's see what it is. I know what it is. You don't know what it is. Want to see in there? Want to see what's in there? Yes! Okay, you guys are probably saying, what? How did he get those? What's going on? I thought everybody was refunded. They were, but I didn't pay money. So this is the product of a very, very special trade with Scott. And I'll leave it up to Scott to tell you what it was, if he wants to or not. But the end result was me getting these. And this is probably the most stoked I've been to get something in an extremely long time. Let's get into it. Alright, if I can get this package open. I have been insanely, ridiculously... Whoa, he threw some risers in? These are 3D printed. That is insane. Look at that. The texture is almost really cool. And it's nothing to be freaked out about. I hope he does these again, but, you know, so if he starts doing them again, just know the texture is nothing to freak out about. This is nuts. Oh my God. Holy cow. See if you can get, look at that. What the hell? I have a pair of these. This is sick. They come with these, they come with the screws. Like, it's a screw, but it's a silver screw. Yo, seriously? I am insanely blown away and stoked to rip a pair of these. Oh my God, they have some weight to them. They're definitely heavier than any other truck, which I think I'm gonna love that about them. What else is there to say, man? These are freaking gnarly. No pun intended. These are nuts. And then, so he threw in these risers. 3D printed risers. Threw these bad boys in there. Which I have some Tech Deck risers. I don't know if you guys ever got those. I have a bunch of Tech Deck risers. I'm not stupid mad about, but these are 3D printed dynamic ones. So I'm stoked on that. Oh man, I'm super stoked on these. In relation to the board, this is about what that looks like. This is about the size comparison to a Y truck. This is horrible. I'll take pictures. Regardless, very stoked to have a pair of these. Thank you so much, Scott. I really hope that production sorts itself out and you can get these back on the market, because I'm really stoked on just, you know, the appearance of them. Straight off, they look rad, and I hope everybody can get a chance to rip some of these. I'm gonna post them up with, obviously, hopefully I'm gonna mount some Unboxings on these bad boys and rip them. Super sick. Thanks again, Scott. Go check him out. Dynamic. He does board rails, really sick board rails. Which, as you can see here, he's still doing those, and I'm fairly certain he'll work the manufacturing kinks out of these, and he'll get back to you with these guys too. Really, really, really feeling really blessed to have a pair of these. I'm gonna set them up. I'll show you what they look like on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, Charlie Buzzard. Like, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the video. Tell me what you want me to do next. And as always, thank you for watching.